Every year a teacher is given a new set of students. The anticipation is riveting. Some thoughts may go through your mind such as, what if I get Billy? What about Sally? Will I be able to educate them? Will I be able to give them the skills to be successful in life? How do I make my room a place where they feel safe and where teaching and learning can take place? A place of balance and harmony. These are some of the thoughts every teacher thinks of at the beginning of every year. No one wants their students to look like this, or their classroom to look like this. So what if I told you a classroom that uses feng shui generates qi or positive energy, which generates a well-adjusted teaching environment for both students and teachers? Feng shui can be very complex. So by establishing a base of information and by being instructed on the use of simple tools, any classroom can be changed to a place where education and teaching can take place. Feng shui is not a religion. Feng shui is an ancient art and science developed in China 3,000 years ago. Feng means wind, shui means water. Jeffries in 2000 states, it examines the bond between the visible and invisible forces of nature. Feng Shui can establish a few simple cures by creating qi. Qi supports the harmony between students and teachers. This is a Baugua. It is used to see where the classroom stands in creating harmony. The Feng Shui Baugua tool is designed to locate the energy in 8 important life areas, the ninth being the center, which corresponds to 8 major corresponding life areas. Now, let's put it to use. Make a simple drawing of your classroom. Show where the front door is located, where the teacher's desk is, the student's desk is, bookcases, anything else that is located in the room. Draw the Feng Shui Baugua map on the drawing. The front door is the entrance point. After this is in place, the evaluation begins, and then changes can take place. Let's focus on the knowledge of the wisdom, self, and cultivation area. And it is located right here. Here are some enhancing tips to help energy flow. Decorate with blues, greens, and blacks. Put bookcases, ceramic or stone bookends, or tools for self-development. Sometimes as teachers, we do not realize the junk we accumulate. It actually becomes invisible to teachers. It drains a teacher's time, energy, and motivation. Take a camera into the classroom. When the classroom is empty, take a picture of the room, enlarge it, then sit down, see what others see when they come into the room. Use a black marker and circle the areas that you see need to be fixed. Then you know what to clean up. Clutter stops the flow of energy. The primary goal of Feng Shui is to lead your classroom along with your students into harmony, so that you are not just surviving one storm after the other, but are thriving in a paradise of your own. I have had many personal experiences with behavior changes of students who are in a classroom that uses Feng Shui. By the simple changes of desk arrangement, test scores improved because of the color of the clothes the teacher is wearing on test day. Try it. Test Feng Shui out. No one is hurt by trying it. This brings me to the final point, after which I'll be taking questions. This is a statement by Weston Gupatel that says, we discovered that by using positive strokes and channeling energy rather than challenging it, our classroom benefited atmospherically instead of denying or repressing energy. Then we view our pupils not as vessels to be refilled, but candles to be lit. Therefore, a classroom that uses Feng Shui generates qi, or positive energy, which generates a well-adjusted teaching environment for both students and teachers. Could I have the first question, please?
Yes. Why does the grid have to be layered over the classroom in a certain way?
When working with Bagua Map, a teacher is creating a flow of vital energy. It must flow through the front door to the surrounding areas. The next.
And what is the best thing to start with?
A change of color is the least expensive and fastest way to improve a school's environment.